Welcome to Physical Sciences Consultorium. This video is part of the series How We Know the Universe. In this episode, we ask a deceptively simple question: what do spectra really tell us about the universe? When astronomers talk about spectra, they are not talking about pretty colors. They are talking about structure hidden inside light. When light is spread out, patterns begin to appear. If light were simple, its spectrum would be smooth and continuous. But real spectra are not smooth. They contain gaps, lines, and patterns that immediately suggest something deeper is happening. Patterns are never accidental. In science, a repeated pattern means a repeated cause. So the question becomes, what produces these patterns in light? The answer is matter itself. Atoms and molecules interact with light in very specific ways. They absorb and emit light only at certain energies. Those energies show up as lines in a spectrum. These spectral lines are not images. They are signatures. Just as fingerprints identify a person, spectral patterns identify what matter is present. Different elements leave different patterns. They cannot imitate one another freely. This works because atomic structure is fixed. An atom of hydrogen behaves the same way everywhere in the universe. It cannot choose a different pattern. That stability is what makes identification possible. By comparing observed spectra with patterns measured in laboratories on Earth, astronomers can identify the composition of distant stars and galaxies. No samples are needed. The light itself carries the evidence. Matter can leave its signature on light in two main ways. When hot, glowing matter emits light, it produces emission lines at specific energies. When cooler matter lies in front of a bright source, it removes specific energies, creating absorption lines. In both cases, the pattern comes from the same atomic structure. Astronomers do not guess what an object is made of. If an element were present in significant amounts, it would leave a recognizable mark either by emitting light or by absorbing it. When those expected spectral features are absent, that element cannot be present in large quantities. Composition is inferred by elimination, not assumption. Confidence does not come from a single line. It comes from many lines agreeing with one another. When several independent features point to the same composition, the conclusion becomes difficult to escape. This is why spectra are central to astronomy. They allow scientists to know what distant objects are made of without ever touching them. Composition becomes accessible across vast cosmic distances. Spectral analysis has limits. Weak signals create uncertainty. Overlapping patterns require care. But uncertainty is not failure. It reflects careful interpretation, not speculation. Spectra turn light into evidence. They transform observation into physical identification. This is one of the strongest ways astronomy turns distant signals into reliable knowledge. Spectra do more than reveal composition. When an object moves toward or away from us, its entire spectral pattern shifts slightly. This shift does not change the pattern itself. It changes its position. From this shift, astronomers can infer motion, including speed and direction, across vast cosmic distances. Spectra also respond to physical conditions. Temperature affects which lines appear and how strong they are. Density influences how sharp or spread out those lines become. The state of matter leaves its own imprint. So spectra do not just say what is there. They also reveal how matter is behaving. If this way of understanding space science is useful to you, this is exactly what Physical Sciences Consultorium exists for. We focus on how scientific knowledge is built. If you found this episode helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the PSC channel.